I taste most of the bread here, so I'm gonna have to give this one more bite in here for now. Hey guys, this is JdizzEats, and we're having a Saj. I saw their recent menu new on their Damascus Sojok, and what I heard about Sojok, Damascus, is they have a ground beef on it with spices on it, and then I saw they put mayo, and then pickles, and tomato, and then some garlic sauce, and I can't really wait to put that in my mouth. Ha! Gay! Ho ho ho! It smells amazing. And look at that Saj bread. I mean, look at that, nice brown and a golden brown. So let's give this a taste, guys. Let's give this a taste, guys. The beef is still crunchy in there. I taste most of the bread here, so I'm gonna have to give this one more bite in here for now. The beef, you can taste the spice in there, except it's a little bit dry, and it's not bad for $8.99. Second bite, boys. I wish I put more sauce on the shawarma. That would be really good if you put like more sauce in there, because pretty much you can taste the dry ground beef in here, but at least it's flavorful, the ground beef. So that's something about it. Alright guys, what I think about the Damascus Sojok at Saj, or the ground beef with that spices. It's kind of flavorful. You can taste that spice in there, except it's a little bit dry, but at least it's really good and flavorful. Just, you know, that's all that matters. And then it needs more sauce, the mayo and the garlic sauce. I feel like I only tasted the beef part in there, so you might need to get some extra sauce if you want more sauce, if you want a saucy shawarma, I mean Sojok. So Damascus Sojok is like a Sojok in Syria, ground beef with spices. At least it's worth to try the Damascus Sojok. You should guys recommend try one in Winnipeg. Support some local businesses, and it's one of my favorite shawarma place, Middle Eastern cuisine places in Winnipeg, Saj, just, you know. So worth trying it for $8.99, not bad. It just recently released that in like a few weeks ago. But anyway guys, that'll be it for the video. If you do enjoy the video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, share, and comment for any suggestions. And guys, this is JdizzEats, and see you guys next video. Bye!